Hi, this is Jenny with AquaPhoenix Scientific. In this training video, we're going to talk about service frequency and the tools you can use to see if the accounts are being managed on time. Let's get started.
Report frequency can be set up for any type of report in any system to help users determine if the reports are being completed on time. Once it is set up, users can run Report Scheduler or the Customer Compliance Report to determine if the reports are being completed on time. Let's review the Report Scheduler first. This feature will help users determine when a report is still due to be completed. From the home screen, scroll down to the Graphs and Trends section and click on Report Scheduler. Please note it is not necessary to select a customer to run this report. Click on the Update Data button to run the report. Please note that the report frequencies must be set up first before the report can start pulling results. The results shown is specific to the user's access. Any system that the current user has access to that has report frequencies set up could potentially show up on this list. Any results displayed in the report scheduler is an indication that a report has not been completed or finalized. Ideally, you want this report to be blank to indicate that your reports have been completed and all your commitments have been met. Click on the arrow to expand and view the details. There is an Expand All button located on the top left corner. The expanded details will identify the system, what type of report is due, when it is due, the frequency, and when the last time a report was finalized. The results can be filtered by report type, status, and by the type of schedule. You can also filter by customer location and author. Export the results by clicking on the Export button in the corner and then selecting Excel or CSV. Click on the Calendar button to switch from the default list view to the calendar view. Click Update Data to see results appear on the calendar. Users can reference the legend at the bottom. Click on a specific date to view result details. Results can be filtered by schedule type, report type, and status. Results can also be filtered by location or author. Next, let's take a look at the Customer Compliance Report. This report can help a user audit the report history to determine how often the reports at this account is delinquent. To run this report, select a customer from the Customer Selection toolbar. It is not necessary to select the remaining hierarchy. Scroll down to the Graphs and Trends section and click on Customer Compliance Report. The report frequency must be set up before this report can show any results. The Customer Compliance Report will list a frequency history for the selected customers. Green results mean the report was saved on time. If there are any red results, that means the report was not saved within the specified time. Use the arrow to expand or collapse the details. There is a button on the top left to expand all or collapse all. The results can be filtered by report type, status, and type of schedules. For larger accounts, it is helpful to filter by location or by author. The results can be exported to CSV or Excel by clicking on the Export button. Now that we know how the Report Scheduler and Customer Compliance Report works, let's go through the steps on how to set up the report frequency. To get started, select a customer, facility, building, and system from the Customer Selection toolbar. The system number will be displayed in the blue box in the top right-hand corner. You can navigate quickly without selecting the customer if you know the system number. Double-click on the system box, then enter the system number and click Navigate. Once you have a system selected, click on the system box and click Edit System. Scroll down to the section marked Report Scheduler. There is an option to create a report frequency for every type of report available in the system. Pick a desired report and toggle the frequency on. There is a reoccurring option and a seasonal option. They can be set up to run concurrent with each other. Let's set up a reoccurring schedule first. Toggle the reoccurring schedule on, then select a tracking method. This will determine if the schedule will be tracked based on a calendar interval or a maximum time in between reports. Enter the desired frequency and an effective start date. Click Save when done. Now let's add a seasonal schedule. Toggle the seasonal schedule on, then select a tracking method. The seasonal schedule allows you to create a weekly or bi-weekly option where there is an effective start and end date, or a monthly schedule where the user can set how many reports are required for each month. The schedule can also be set at a quarterly frequency by selecting the desired quarter. A custom frequency can be set by entering a custom frequency along with an effective start and end date. Click Save when done.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please contact your system administrator if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching.